What's up? Good. Oh.
First time ever having a snow cone?
Well, not like my first time. Like I definitely have non-virgin snow cone, but
Non-virgin? What the heck does that even mean?
it means that I've tried a snow cone before. I'm a snow cone.
Oh! I was like, are you putting like alcohol in your snow cones or something?
No, but that was my first time.
I was like, what the heck?
That was my first time for the summer. And I have not gone.
Gotcha. What do you want to do?
Longboarding.
You could also, if we
I'm
want.
trying to brainstorm more ideas.
Okay.
Yeah, I say we bring longboards.
I'm down. Okay, so right when we just figured out how we want to go longboarding, it starts raining. So good for us. On our way.
What's poppin'? What's poppin', Munchie?
Jaxyn, it was so cute. How did you? What did I do?
The people up there are gonna be like, what the fetch is going on?
Hustle your bustle. Okay, that's so awkward. You know, vlog life or whatever. Noob life.
So the other battery's dead.
No! Oh, noob life.
With whatever we have left of this.
Freak, okay.
And also I need to go give this card over to Jaxyn
Okay.
for their graduation. Stonks.
Your finest brownie, please.
Another one of your finest brownies, please.
Miley? Hi Miley, you're so nice. You got
Thank you, Miley.
Thank you. Whoa.
Bye, puppy.
Hi.
Okay. We got.
I gotta go, dude. Hi.
Thank you.
Wait, the dog's coming.
This dog, my goodness. Oh my gosh, you are going to get hit. That's such a. Oh, watch,
Sorry.
Jaxyn, Jaxyn. Oh my god. Move out of the road. Get out of the
Are you recording this?
This dumb dog. Get out of the way. My goodness. That has got to be the dumbest dog I've seen. This dog right there is just looking, and he's looking at like, what the fetch is doing? What the fetch is doing? What the heck is this dog doing?
Well, it just hopped on my car. I'm like, okay, you scratched it already. It's already scratched the still.
Yeah. And like, we're like trying to move, and then it goes right in front of it, and I'm like, stop! And then it's like, goes back.
You want mine?
Oh, sure.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah, I just did it to Venus.
But,
I'm
yeah.
just try to buy it. I just want to see how it tastes. Dink it.
There's somebody
And
behind
sink
us.
it. But this one, for me personally, I rate it 10 out of 10 because I remember being a kid, saving money for a scooter, and those sweet adults, they took my cookies and they took my lemonade, even though it was not the best. And I really support that and love that. So here I am, taking these brownies and enjoying them and indulging in it and the amazing sweetness that it has.
Dang, that just got really deep.
Personally, myself, I feel like they need to advertise better.
Okay.
Kinda, they told us that they were scratch. And then like 5 seconds later, the other kid's like, well, actually, they're box brownies. I'm like, okay, I could buy a box brownie thing for $1, but like, whatever.
Price is outrageous.
Stonks, you know. But anyways, so we went back to go grab my backpack and everything, and then we were on our way, like a good like 10 minutes out, and then we realized that we didn't even go to grab Jaxyn's longboard. So now we're going back 10 minutes there to get it.
Kind of need 3 longboards.
Yeah, so we had our 2, and we were gonna go get Jaxyn's when we went to go get my backpack, but now it's not. That didn't happen. So now we're gonna go get that.
Can you imagine sharing longboards?
Just like the Titanic.
We would eat crap. That'd be so fun. No, I love it.
So yeah, we're gonna go do that now. Where's your longboard, buddy? Found it.
I understand. What did you say? I don't know.
am very good that what am I saying? I'm very glad that I got one. But we're gonna go longboard, so let's do that. Boy over there. We got Jaxyn over here. How am I shaking so bad? Like we were just hauling booty. What do you got to say?
Let's go. I'm saying that this is the fun show and we need to do it again.
Yes. So we climbed all the way from down there. That's gonna focus. But it's literally so beautiful up here. But yeah, it hurts our feet. Our feet kind of hurt. But it's so beautiful up here. But yeah, it just kind of came out of nowhere really. We were just kind of longboarding. We're like, you know what? Let's hike the waterfall. So here we are. We got a video taker. All right, so we just got done with the hike. We just got done taking some pictures. Jaxyn's putting away his camera right there. But it's starting to get really stormy right now, so we're gonna head back down.
Also,
and longboard some more.
next time we do this, we're bringing some sort of sandals so I don't stub my toe.
Oh, yeah, they're kind of grody right now. We forgot to bring them, so kind of got those nasty kind of feet going on. But we're gonna head down, try not to slip with no shoes, but yeah, we're heading out. And Tanner's all the way down there.
He said, I'm out. Deuces.
Okay, so we'll see you then. They wanted to be in it, Jaxyn.
Wait, I want to get a 6 shot of me like the way I was coming up to you guys, but I was on like my knees.
Okay. I'll put mine down too. Now I want to talk to you about today's sponsor. I'm just gonna have to take a snapshot of it.
Yeah. Well, I'll set a timer too.
Okay.
So I just wanted to show you.
Don't smell it, just have like a...
Make sure it's on the 28. Okay. Is it gonna... Okay, let's see.
I just checking this recording real quick. It is recording. Okay. Can I draw these one more time?
Hello.
Try. Okay, I want to look.